guys, welcome back. Today we are going to make some scrunchies. So if you're a 80s, 90s kid like me, you love scrunchies. You wear them on your wrist because that's what we did. You put them in your hair because that's what they were meant for. So yeah, we're going to make some scrunchies. It's funny how like stuff from my childhood is coming back. And, you know, I'm like, hey, I'm telling my girls, this is awesome. Oh my gosh, you know, I should have saved all that stuff. Oh my gosh. I wouldn't be so poor buying all of it again. But anyway, we're going to make some scrunchies because my girls love scrunchies. I love scrunchies. I still like wearing them. It's like an accessory. But anyway, we're going to make some scrunchies. So to start out with, you need some fabric. I have this cute Mickey Mouse fabric. I am loving it. It is 4 inches by 24 inches. Then you're going to need some elastic. This is just like 1/4 inch elastic and it's about 8 inches long. You're going to need a safety pin so you can thread that elastic. And I'm using my sewing machine and just coordinating thread. So let's get started. I'm going to fold it in half where right sides are facing each other. I like to pin mine so I don't have to hold it down. It's just easier for me. So I don't iron it. I just simply fold it in half, just like so. And then we'll start sewing. There we go. Okay, so now that we've got this sewed, we have to turn it right side out. So I like to kind of start it by pushing the fabric through, and then I either take like a dowel rod or a yardstick, and I just kind of pull it. Let's see if I can show you here. Just kind of pull it like this. It's easier if I put it on the ground here. I don't know if you can see. But I just kind of pull it. Just takes a while. And then it just starts going. Let's see if I can do this up here. Flexing all kinds of muscles here. You're getting a gun show, people. I know. A little something extra. There we go. Yay, did it. So there we go. That's the side there. So now it is turned. There you go. So you got your little tube. So now what we'll do is we'll thread the elastic and sew that. Okay, so now to thread the elastic, what I like to do is I like to kind of get this seam kind of in the middle. So take your safety pin, thread your elastic on there, and start going in. And then what I like to do is when I get almost in where I feel like it's going to grab the elastic here, I take my straight pin here and I will secure it right there on the end. So now I don't have to worry about my elastic coming through, and I just scrunch up the elastic. So here, do this till it comes out on the other end. Now, see if I can get that off. Oh my goodness, trying it one-handed. And then take this off. I do like to kind of make sure that my elastic is, like to make sure that it's not twisted. Nobody likes twisted elastic. And then just stick them together and pin it ever so carefully. There you go. And then we will stitch that. All right. So as you can see, I just did a little zigzag stitch here. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to tuck it in and make it like folded in like that. And then you're going to take this piece right here, and you're just going to kind of push it through so that it's pushed through the tucked in part, like so. I like to line up my seams. You don't have to if you don't want to. It's just something I like to do. So just getting it here situated because I don't want it to be like wonky. Take your time with this part. Do it right. Don't be messy. Don't be sloppy. And then what we're going to do is we are going to stitch across here. Just a straight stitch. All right, let's do it. I do like to do a little back stitch just so that it holds better. Go, and then we'll trim our strings. And there we go. So there we go. We have our scrunchie. So you can wear it on your wrist or you can put it in your hair, but I think it's super cute. I love this. So there we go. I'm gonna go and make some more because this was super fun and it was super quick. You know, once you get it going, you're probably looking at like maybe 15-20 minutes tops to make one. So I hope you guys have a magical day and I will see you later. Bye.